Your whole family life at risk. You think I one time I go down on my baby father yard and I mash up him car and I broke him door? You think I when I go down on my baby father yard and mash up him car and broke up him door? I personally sit down beside one, look at dark corner and wait for you to come out. I'm ready for go to Jamaica, I don't care. I can go anywhere I want to go after that. Me personally, I mash you up tomorrow. Any how I care I suit me, I would leave a call police. Me personally would have hide. Me personally are waiting in one corner tomorrow for you. I mean we follow you. Cause you look. Don't worry about my picnic, you never push out none, girl. You don't worry about that. Worry about different thing. I'm not ask Christ if I not get that earphone tomorrow. Whether blood I figure run and I go to jail or I figure run it. Now ask you. And tomorrow my name little sister go out. Right and early 6 a.m. I reach back down here. I'm not asking you. Sometimes when I see people talk, you think talk, you feel me a ramp. Where I go see? Where I go see?
I'm gonna say that just one time. You don't fuck with nobody family. You feel me? You don't do that. Especially when you really don't know somebody. And she talking about them headphones. Yo. Headphones, bro? Okay, like... What am I losing? You see what I'm saying? Like, this is why, like, listen, this is why I don't take shit from nobody, like gifts.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing's set. We're blessed. Hope you're having a wonderful day today. But it's a quick update with this Ivany Keno situation. As you can see, it's not a good look. Someone said, homegirl reached yard early in the morning for her headphones. You feel what I mean? Ah, boy, somebody saying this is all because he is clout chasing and, you know, mingling with her enemies. Somebody said, if we don't know what go on for not to go on, you see it. So this is his side of, you know, the story, you feel me? So just like and share the video from now on our social media platforms, Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, and Twitter. And let's get into it.
He didn't want to let me in.
Yeah, I'm trying to see what's going on. Why are you knocking like that at 4 o'clock in the morning?
Because I come to him from my earphone. He's on live. He don't want to open it to give it to me.
So what happened? Is what
I'm coming from my earphones.
Man, she not getting it. I don't know that.
I need my...
Okay, so look. I don't know what... Hold up. Because we ain't gonna do crazy shit in my house. So I'm saying, 4 o'clock in the morning, you coming for some headphones. I know you stay far away. So I'm asking the question.
Earphones, please.
I will break these shits in front of your face.
So son, tell me what's going on.
Mom, you might move. Let me.
No, let's
fight it out. Let's fight it out.
Hey, let me tell you,
Why you come? You want to take it upstairs? You want to take it outside?
Bro, you think you could beat me up?
You want to take it outside?
Crazy.
You want to take it outside?
This is what we ain't gonna do. You ain't gonna come to my house.
Since you get popular on social media, since I give you that fame and you want to be on your live now, you want to be on live now. You didn't have this strength earlier, but because you're on your live now,
I'm off the live.
You're on live right now.
You're on the live. Go check.
You just end your live.
Yeah.
You literally just end your live. Let me speak to you because I respect you on a whole.
Oh.
We had an argument, right?
Yeah.
We had an argument. Let me see. I respect you on a whole.
Oh.
We had an argument, right?
Yeah.
We had an argument. Let me see. An argument.
Put in the comment section what you think about that. Now, before we can hear what Keno have to say, I just want to address the police picture he posted because a lot of people is thinking that, you know, Ivany get locked up. No. He got into an accident, so I'm pretty sure, you know, that's why Babylon that yes, man said. So let's hear what going for not to go on with him, and then we proceed.
Oh, I'm not gonna get caught up in this drama. It's really not drama, y'all. Like, and y'all can't really talk shit about Renee too because, first off, if y'all was in a live, I'm gonna just explain this real quick. If y'all was in a live, right, we were all chopping it up. You know what I'm saying? We were just having a chill live, but people kept asking where is Ivany, so they were spamming the same comment, saying where's Ivany. So I'm just gonna clear the air for Renee because I don't want y'all to send hate to her. You get what I'm saying? All she did was just say stop asking about Ivany because it was getting repetitive. Like, you feel me? Like, we were just chilling, and you know that's why she said that. So don't send hate to Renee though. I want to clear her name up. You get what I'm saying? So I know y'all seen that, and Renee actually texted me like she didn't mean that. Like, if y'all seen that, and Renee actually texted me like she didn't mean that. Like, if y'all see Renee, the only thing she, you get what I'm saying? I'm just giving y'all the real, cause I'm a real one. You know what I'm saying? And I'm a grown man, so like I really don't do drama with like going back and forth. Like I know that's what y'all probably want me to do. Like shit is like, yeah, it's not me. Hey, but hey, take one Keno on all plats. Y'all drop a follow. Bro, I ain't gonna lie, I'm really not fucking with the fact that my address got leaked. My address got leaked and my number, that shit is weird. When she know I got a family. You know what I'm saying? Like what? I don't care what nobody say, that shit is weird as hell. You feel me? Like imagine if, you feel me, like I did the same to somebody else. And I gonna say, you feel me, but I'd be the bad guy. But it's just like who could do it first. That's what you gotta realize. They get a 2K. I can't believe that. Like I thought y'all were lying though. I really thought y'all were lying. Y'all talking about some. My address and my number got beat. I'm like, Ivany wouldn't. Not Ivany. Ivany's a great girl. You know what I'm saying? That's how I think of Ivany. I still think Ivany a great person though. Like regardless of everything, what's going on right now, she blocked, deleted, leaked. I still think she a great person. That's y'all don't know. Like I really love Ivany. I really had real love for her. Really got real love. She's an amazing girl. She's an amazing girl. Shout out everybody in here. Man, stop saying I'm wrong, man. I'm wrong. I'm wrong, bro. Are you serious, y'all? I do know Ivany the one who helped me go live, y'all, right? She taught me this. Think about that, y'all. I thank her, though. I thank her so much. Hey, y'all, drop a follow on the page. Yeah, I'm not gonna really speak on too much, y'all, cause I know y'all. I see how y'all rock, you know what I'm saying? Y'all like to screen share everything, screenshot parts, take it and run with it. But like I said, I'm not tripping about the situation. It is just weird that you leak someone's address with a family and kids. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like my sister could possibly stay at this house, or I'm like, what if I have family? You know what I'm saying? Like, what if I had a baby here? You know what I'm saying? What if I had a baby? You wouldn't care what happened. I just thought we was closer than that. You know what I'm saying? Bro, y'all taking the fact that I call her a dog. Bro, it's crazy because she wasn't even tripping about that when I was talking to her. A dog, bro, we was joking. And that was like so small because she was barking for a deer. She was barking for a deer, so I called her a puppy, like a dog. Like what? Come on now. Go look at that dog. Like what? Come on now. Go look at that dog. Like what? Come on now. Oh yeah, this is another thing I'll say. It's easy to take some and run with somebody to take somebody and run with somebody else's side when y'all haven't seen me. Like this a thing, yo, though, because most of y'all are Jamaicans, right? So most of y'all wouldn't even know me or know the type of person I am. So I'm pretty sure y'all gonna go with whatever what's it called say, you know what I'm saying? Because y'all just know her, you know what I'm saying? But like, be real though. Like, I know I just came out of the blue, so it look weird and you feel me, but come on now. Come on now. Exactly, y'all not from Jamaica, so man, use your brain, bro. Use your brain. I used to listen to Tupac a lot. Yeah, facts here. Y'all, you gotta have sense. I'm just saying, like, I would never bash Ivany. Ivany is Ivany is an amazing girl. You know what I'm saying? One of the most amazing girls I ever met. You feel me? Y'all should go support her. Go shop with her, Pretty Sensation. Pretty Sensation. Y'all go shop with her. She sell lashes, sell lipstick, all that. Hey y'all, listen, I never disrespected Ivany. Never called her out her name. Never hit her. What you talking about disrespecting? Ooh. I'm well rested. I used to be more of a minute, but I hate when I get on my feelings. Cause I get like on cruising and think about times I better remember. And bleeding on the wall, and bringing shit on the court. Caught in the middle of fist, I was thinking about this, my fucking sleep. God, me, you get tired of your man. I know I'm for that nigga. I seen all type of flowers and badges and whatever I could just give. People say anything, but people don't really know crazy. That's all I want to say, y'all. People really don't know crazy. You feel me? Like, some people think they crazy, but they really not. They really not. You feel me? An image don't matter. You feel me? Versus real crazy. I want y'all to know that. I seen somebody say something about that. Hey y'all. Don't y'all think it's strange, y'all? So imagine, like, right? I'm just using an example. I'm not saying no names, y'all. You feel me? I hope y'all understand me. Imagine if I posted someone's address where they mama stay at. Wow, that's fucked up. No matter what situation, unless someday really did something crazy to me. Imagine that. I would be, you talking about, you feel me? What is that? What does it take for y'all to post someone's address? Like, think about that. Family. You involve family. One thing you don't do is fuck with nobody family. That's a lesson learned. I'm gonna say that just one time. You don't fuck with nobody family. You feel me? You don't do that. Especially when you really don't know somebody. Don't do that, y'all. Okay? Y'all, this is what y'all gotta realize, y'all, right? Y'all saying I'm in danger or and shit like that. Or this run, y'all can't say I did nothing. What y'all gonna say? Y'all gonna go off what she show y'all? Y'all never see me do nothing. What did I do? Like I told you, I've been the same person from the day one. From the day one. I've been the same person. And she talking about them headphones. Yo, headphones, bro. Okay, like, what am I losing? You feel me? That's what you like. Turn the headphones. What the fuck? Okay, they just headphones. Appreciate for buying it though. But if you buying something for somebody and you're buying it for them, why ask for it back if it's supposed to be for them? That's a character flaw. I'm not gonna lie. That's fucked up. Oh yeah, for those that do my research, bro, I knew who Ivany was. You know what I'm saying? Like, regardless of doing the research, I mean, I feel like I know. I feel like I got to actually know. You feel me? Like, still like that girl. Still think she a great person, y'all. Ivany is an amazing person. Y'all should go support her and shop. Pretty sensation. Talking about some crazy. I promise it's not a person. Like, come on now. Hurt. Like, what the fuck? Like, I seen her saying something about soft. Keno soft. When have I ever been tried like a bitch? You feel me? Y'all know Ivany taught me that too. Gotta put that up. Y'all know Ivany taught me that too. Things about Ivany, y'all. So look, my favorite things are Ivany's so helpful, y'all. Like, she's so supportive. Like, she say, like, regardless of that, whatever I'm going through, she said she'll be there for me. You know what I'm saying? She's always uplifted. She always tries to help. You know what I'm saying too, like, y'all. She always helps me. You feel me? Like, if I fail, like, I feel like Ivany would really help me out, y'all. Ivany would really help me out. You know what I'm saying? She really caring too. She pay attention. So, like, say for example, she always like pays attention to small details. I noticed that with her. You feel me? I really like that about her too. I hope everybody having a great night, y'all. I'm definitely having a great night. Hey, y'all know I got into a wreck earlier, y'all. I ain't tell y'all I almost went to jail. Got into a fucking wreck, y'all. My back hurt. You see what I'm saying? Like, this is why, like, listen, this is why I don't take shit from nobody, like gifts and all that. Because what's the point of buying somebody something if you just gonna take it or whatever? Like, it's not like I asked for the Apple AirPods. Like, I wanted them, you know what I'm saying? Like, but you knew I like headphones, you know what I'm saying? Like, you bought them. Thank you, though. She bought them. She bought them because she know I like AirPods. Because I told you she's a great person. I love that girl to death, man. Oh, Ivany amazing. I told y'all Ivany is an amazing girl. But my address, though, I don't know. That shit crossed. Everybody got shit that pissed them off a lot, you know what I'm saying? I think that's one on for me. That's one on for me. Man, my lower back hurt, man. I'm low-key stressed because, man, it's a crazy situation. I almost went to jail. So, I'm really stressed. I was already having a bad night, for real. But I had some good things happen, for real, too. Hell yeah. Had some good things happen tonight, too, though. You feel me? Alright, though, y'all. Let's get these lights up. My mind's hurt. I gotta keep my head high with a bag full of cash. Diamonds in the sack. I'ma let I ain't stunning. I been trying not to try when I ride. Your girl sound fuck, but I'm trying to put it 30 on something. I started heavy metal. I wish that I wanna make it better. Man, y'all tell Ivany I miss her, y'all. Hey, y'all go tell Ivany she knows she missed me. Let's see these 4K likes. Man, the crazy shit happened to me, y'all. Man, y'all, I could have died. I don't know if I can say. I could have today, man. Y'all, I'm driving, y'all. Somebody rammed into me, ran me off the road. Ran me off the road, y'all. Boom. I figured it out. No more weirdos stand, y'all. Yeah, I don't have that much mind. 5.8. Hey, let's get to 5.8. What happened to the tappers, y'all?
Go and suck out your mother. You're a batty boy. I don't want you on my fucking live. The girl that named Renee, that you have as a moderator on your live, that you text me and said that she said you should come off her live, and you still have the bitch over her live.
Hey, y'all, I'm muting her, though. I miss you, though. Hey, y'all, go tell her I miss her. You know what I'm saying? I don't care what she talking about. I got her muted, so I can't hear nothing she's saying. Hey, what's that yellow thing you got in your head? You said what? You said you miss me too? You said you love me? Oh, you said you can't wait to see me. I miss you. Hey, let's get the lights up. I miss you. Hey, we got her muted, y'all. I don't even know what she's saying right now. Hold on. Shh.
Small ass dick and you suck pussy like a dog. I don't need you.
I do miss Ivany, y'all. That's my bae. Hey, do y'all know what faux life mean? Do y'all know what faux life? Do y'all know what that mean? I'm playing some shit right now, Jackie. Since we got so many people in here, y'all, hey, y'all go check out Ivany do hairs and lashes and makeup. Y'all go tap in with Pretty Sensation. Y'all go shop her beauty stuff. You know what I'm saying? Pretty Sensation. It's on. You know what I'm saying? Pretty Sensation. It's on. You know what I'm saying? Pretty Sensation. It's on her page. Yeah. Hey, y'all go shop with Pretty Sensation. What's going on, y'all? What's going on? Hey, Twin said, say twin. Hey, Twin said, say twin. Phone. I mean, I got an iPad, though, my bad, hold on. The live freeze? The live froze? Did the live freeze? Hey, y'all, get it to 20K likes. Get it to 20K likes, y'all. Hey, listen, y'all. I want y'all to go shop Pretty Sensation. And I want y'all to listen to go support my music, y'all. Go support my music. Hey, Ivany, my baby, y'all. And my girl for life. Hey, Ivany never gonna leave me, y'all. Hey, we got 19K. don't know why people like posting business. But for those watching, you feel me? I know it's y'all Caribbean, y'all Jamaicans, people watching. I just want y'all to know she didn't even show y'all all the messages. She deleted some. For some reason, I was reading that shit. I'm like, damn, where the shit I said at? Okay, she deleted them. Just showed y'all. Yeah, but linking my address was weird. Didn't even do nothing. Linking my address. I'm not tripping on the situation or not. You feel me? The same person y'all see. Listen, y'all. Y'all don't know me. This is the thing about I get the social media shit. Is y'all gonna go with people word, bro, or whatever, cause they big or whatever. Bro, I'm new to all this shit. Y'all. This TikTok live stream.
And if you don't want to catch the beginning of everything, swing up on my Dancehall Story channel. I'm Incredible Boss channel story. Incredible. Boy, people have more bagga for upload, you know. So subscribe to me everywhere, you know. Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and ting. You see my I said Twitter. Bless.